one right here is the hot pepper paste soup. And this is really good. We're gonna try this one. And this is the scorched rice. So now that I've eaten all the other stuff, we're gonna try these two. Alright, so next on the menu is the hot pepper paste soup. Most Korean barbecues don't have this one here, so this is kind of like a special thing at this restaurant. Other barbecues do give you scorched rice, but we're gonna have it anyway because it's good. So I'm gonna try the soup right now.